Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome to another my YouTube video. Hope you all are doing great. Today I will show you how to make the Alfredo pasta at home in a simple way. So let's kick start this delicious dish which is most famous all around the world. Add boneless chicken cubes, 1 tablespoon tikka masala, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, salt to a taste as you like. Then cook 5 minutes. 1 slice of butter, 1 tablespoon garlic, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 cup pasta water, 1 cup milk. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon tikka masala. Salt to a taste as you like. Mix it really well. Add 2 tablespoon cream. Add some black olives and cheddar cheese. Add boiled pasta. Add 1 tablespoon oregano and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Add cooked chicken chunks and your delicious Alfredo pasta is ready to eat. Hope you like my video. Bye bye.